In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform En Passant on chess.com. En Passant is a special pawn capture that only happens in a very specific situation, and chess.com fully supports it if you know exactly when to use it. Think of it as capturing a pawn as if it had advanced only one square, even though it just moved two. The key is recognizing the right position and acting immediately on your next move. First, check your pawn's position. For white, your pawn needs to be on the 5th rank. For black, it needs to be on the 4th rank. Ranks are the horizontal rows. White counts from the bottom, so white's 5th rank is the 5th row up. Black counts from the top, so black's 4th rank is the 4th row down. If your pawn isn't on that rank, En Passant isn't available. Next, watch your opponent's pawn move. They have to push a pawn 2 squares forward from its starting rank 2 for white, rank 7 for black, and it must land right next to your pawn on the very same row, on an adjacent file. In other words, their pawn should end up side by side with yours, with no gap between them. Now comes the capture, and timing is everything. On your very next move, click or tap your pawn, then select the empty square directly behind the opponent's pawn, the square your pawn would have captured on if their pawn had moved only one square. Chess.com will move your pawn diagonally into that empty square and remove your opponent's pawn from the board, even though you land on a square that was unoccupied a moment ago. If you make any other move first, the En Passant option disappears permanently for that pawn. Here's a simple example to visualize it. Imagine a white pawn on the 5th rank, and a black pawn moves 2 squares to land right beside it. On white's next turn, click the white pawn and then the diagonal square just behind the black pawn to complete the capture. The same logic applies in reverse for black when a white pawn advances 2 squares to land next to a black pawn on the 4th rank. A few quick tips. If the capture square doesn't highlight or the move isn't accepted, one of the conditions isn't met. Either your pawn isn't on the correct rank, their pawn didn't move 2 squares from its starting position, it didn't land adjacent, or you waited a move too long. Remember, this capture is only legal immediately after that 2 square advance. That's all you need to perform En Passant on chess.com with confidence.